Trading with Nifty on a budget day. So let me start to explain you which is or where is the right entry and right exit. Now let me take this Nifty chart. Let me go to 15 minutes. Let me hide this CPR. I have three indicators. One is 21 EMA in blue color, 50 EMA exponential moving average in red color, and the other one is CPR, central pivot range. Now I have to mark the high and low of the first 15 minutes candle. The high here is 17534.95, 17534.95, 17534.95. Wonderful. And low is 17468.5, 17468.5. Yes, 17468.5. Now let me unhide this so that I can see all my indicators. As per the opening, today's Nifty opening was at 17,535. Market opened at 17,535. So I will be taking two options. One is 17,500 for call option and 17,550 for put option. Both are in the money options. I only trade with in the money option. Even here the same indicators, see central pivot range, 21 EMA and 21 EMA, 50 EMA, but here my time will be 2 minutes per candle. So now let me change to, from 15 minutes I will not take any trade till 9:30. Every trade will be after 9:30 only. Now let me change to 5 minutes. So in this 5 minutes, my entry, I plan my entry and my stop loss in 5 minutes time frame range. So now I will be looking for an entry just above 15,535, which is the high of the first 15 minutes candle. So at 9:45 that did not close, the candle went high above my 17,535 but did not close there. The next candle at 9:50, this candle closed above 17,535. And now let me come to, this is on trading view at 9:50. So let me come here. What's here at 9:50? 9:59. Where is 9:50? 9:45. 9:49. So 9:49. 9:49 is almost equal to 9:50. Now the high made here is 245.55, that is almost 246. I will be taking an entry at 246. I will be taking an entry at 246 and this is 240. 240 is my stop loss. Total 6 point stop loss. 246 and 240. So my target will be 1:2. 246 plus 12 points, that is 257. Now let me mark here. Maybe take it as 246. 246 and let me mark 257. See, 246 to 240, it is so 12 points. 12 points, 246, 246 plus 12 is how much? 250, 258. So this is 258. 258, yes. I was able to hit my target at 10:03. 10:03 I was able to hit my target. Now let me look for any other opportunity. Now there is, see, this closed above this, but I was in trade. Now there was, so there is no other candle. This is one candle which is closing below this, but the range is too high. I will not going to take any trade. Even this also, this at 10:55 the range is too high. Even this also 11:45 range is too high. I will not take any trade here. Even this range is too high at 12:20. I will not going to take any trade here. So one trade for the day,